Hey guys, today I will be showcasing HavocFlooder. To get it, join discord.gg/s4nvknfgmz.
Let me see you on Instagram. Let me see if you got the cats.
Bitch, get up and give me some head. Why would you leave me on red?
After I fuck it, the fuck on my bed. Bitch, no you cannot get no bread.
Tired of taking these meds. Who the fuck is Heather?
I know she gon' oot if I tell her. Pass her the knock, she gon' rob for the members. Fuck her titties and my bitch got a clock. I know she gon' up it if she spot a hop.
Too deep and I'm on a block. I'm tryna spot me a goon. On live, show him his wound. Why you keep lacking, go pick up a two. Free static, go done with the dude. Fresh, you got beat, lacking for food. Bitch, get up and give me some head. Why would you leave me on red?
After I fuck it, the fuck on my bed. Bitch, no you cannot get no bread.
Tired of taking these meds. Who the fuck is Heather?
I know she gon' oot if I tell her. Pass her the knock, she gon' rob for the members.
Big 4-1 niggas know how we get. Got the walk and the spray and the shit out his bed. Free static, Mr. Take that risk. I'm going live like we won't take that trip.
Like I woke with this thing like a witch. You should've got him a lift. Head chap if I run in the twigs. Like yo, she flip that whip.
Shot stacks, you know you a bitch. Pick up a G and go catch you a hit.
Beat out a bitch, he got beat with the clip. Bad stuff tryna spot me a blick.
Advocated my phone when it's lit. Bar driver, I got the whip. If I miss it, I'm spinning again. Spinning coffee, bend it with my friends. And no, we not making amends. Bitch, get up and give me some head. Why would you leave me on red?
After I fuck it, the fuck on my bed. Bitch, no you cannot get no bread.
Tired of taking these meds. Who the fuck is Heather?
I know she gon' oot if I tell her. Pass her the knock, she gon' rob for the members.
So guys, that was it. Hope you enjoyed.